Do you want to change the Facebook page name? You can change your business page name on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your Facebook page name, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, switch your personal account to the page you want to change the name. Now, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal lines menu at the top right or bottom right on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. An expanded menu appears. From here, tap on Settings. Now, a new settings screen appears. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Under this, find and tap on the Page Setup option. On the Page Info screen, tap on Name. A new screen appears. Delete the current name and enter your new page name. Once entered, tap the Review Change button. Now on the new screen, review the changed name and then tap on the Submit for Approval button to submit your new page name for review. Facebook will review the name change request, and once approved, your page name will be updated.